In a world where residents, workers, and visitors were trying to get around the nation's capital using Metrobus, blocked at every turn by villains, like confusing routes, causing missed connections and vexing voyages, and service gaps, making it hard to find a bus late in the evenings or on weekends, and traffic congestion, slowing buses down and making wait times unreliable. Metro came up with a plan to develop a new, more equitable bus network and called it the Better Bus Network Redesign. But we knew we couldn't do it alone, so we put out a call for help, and you answered. Last year, we heard from heroes like bus operators, civic leaders, youth, and thousands of others throughout our diverse region. And you helped us develop a proposed 2025 Better Bus Network, the one that better serves you with the resources we have today. The proposed 2025 network will better connect our region, increase access to better bus service, provide more opportunities for more people, and prepare us for the future. Now, we're calling on you again because your power fueled the new proposed 2025 network, and we need your input on the network plus new route names. Begin your hero's journey today by visiting WMATA.com/betterbus to find out how you can get involved and make a real difference in your community. No radioactive spider bites or spam that's required.